All right, guys, in preparation for this week, we will be working on L and U, and we have lots of supplies for this. If you have a supply bag, the only additional thing that you're going to need is a pencil and optionally some tape. If you do not have a supply bag, we're going to be using Pom Poms. You can also use cotton balls or even like little pieces of crumbled up paper will work. We're going to be using some tweezers. I have little plastic tweezers. You can also, if you have the metal kind, that works. If you have child tongs, those are also great. Like those little salad tongs that you use for cooking will also work. And if you're really desperate, if you look down below, I have a tutorial for how to finagle some tongs. You will also need some paint and some Q-tips. If you don't have regular paint, you can use watercolor, acrylics. It really doesn't matter what kind. And if you really don't have paint but you still want to participate, a marker will work as well in place of both the paint and the Q-tips. You will also need a white crayon. If you don't have white, just get the lightest color that you can. And then you will need at least one washable marker. All right, go ahead and go to my next video and we'll get started on activities.